This is the tutorial on how to use your editable Canva name seamless file. As you can see, we have the file pulled up in Canva. That is what you're going to get through your template link. Upload this file that you get from your Etsy downloads and go ahead and line up the white background over the entire file. It should snap to the edges. That is what's going to be your guide. Each of the boxes is where you want to keep the names inside of. Make sure that they are not going outside of the box on the edge of the file. If they overlap a little bit towards the middle, that is okay. Now you can go ahead and select a name and choose which font you would like to use. Some of the fonts will be a little larger, so you're going to have to resize the font. Size the font down until it'll fit inside of the box, and again, double check to make sure that it is not going outside of the edges of the box. Once you have it to the size you'd want, go ahead and center it as much as possible inside of that box. And then you can go ahead and repeat this step with all of the rest of the name files. Once you have all the names inside the boxes, you can go ahead and select the background and delete it. This will make sure that that template with the squares is not printed on your seamless file. Now you can get started on the elements. For this example, I'm going to use a single color icon from the elements. When you find the icon that you want to use, go ahead and select it and bring it into your file. From there, you're going to go ahead and resize the icon to make sure it's about the same size as the heart. Make sure that no part of that element goes outside of the perimeter of the box. Once you have it to the scale you need, you can go ahead and delete the heart and repeat for all the rest of the icons. Now you're going to go ahead and check the perimeter of your entire file and make sure no elements are sticking off the file. When you are sure that that is okay, you can go ahead and select the background and change your background color. It is highly recommended that the background color is a single color. This will help make sure that it is seamless. It is also highly recommended that the names and icons are solid colors and not images. This will help make sure that the file prints out clear and crisp. Once you have everything the way you would like it to be, you're going to go ahead and download as a JPEG. From here, there are many different ways to check if the file is seamless. Go ahead and make sure you double check that it's seamless before you go and print.